Hello friends, today I am here to discuss some important questions from NEET biology syllabus. These questions were previously asked for various NEET entrance examinations from the chapter Chemical Coordination and Integration. It's a quick revision of this chapter and I have already done a video uh, regarding the same topic, and the link of the previous video is given in the description box. You can refer to that. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So let's start. The first question is, hormone with no effect on heartbeat is? The options are option A, oxytocin, option B, adrenaline, option C, noradrenaline, and option D, thyroxine. The right answer is option A, oxytocin. Second question, at the time of interview, heartbeat is increased due to? The options are option A, ADH secretion, option B, secretion of renin, option C, secretion of adrenaline, and option D, adrenocorticotropic hormone. The right answer is option C, secretion of adrenaline. Third question, which of the following statement is correct in relation to the endocrine system? The options are option A, non-nutrient chemicals produced by the body in trace amount that act as intercellular messenger are known as hormones. Option B, releasing and inhibitory hormones are produced by the pituitary gland. Option C, adenohypophysis is under direct neural regulation of hypothalamus. And option D, organs in the body like gastrointestinal tract, heart, kidney and liver do not produce any hormones. The right answer is option A, non-nutrient chemicals produced by the body in trace amount that act as intercellular messenger are known as hormones. Fourth question, a pregnant female delivers a baby who suffers from stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient and abnormal skin. This is a result of? The options are option A, cancer of thyroid gland, option B, oversecretion of pars distalis, option C, deficiency of iodine diet, and option D, low secretion of growth hormone. The right answer is option C, deficiency of iodine diet. Fifth question, intakes of ORS inhibits the secretion of? The options are option A, vasopressin, option B, oxytocin, option C, melatonin, and option D, thyroxine. The right answer is option A, vasopressin. Sixth question, identify the hormone with its source and function. The options are option A, atrial natriuretic factor, ventricular wall increases the blood pressure. Option B, oxytocin, posterior pituitary, growth and maintenance of mammary glands. Option C, melatonin, pineal gland, regulates the normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. And option D, progesterone, corpus luteum, stimulation of growth and activities of secondary sex organs. The right answer is option C, melatonin, pineal gland, regulates the normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. Seventh question, fight or flight reactions cause activation of? The options are option A, the pancreas leading to a reduction in blood sugar levels. Option B, the parathyroid gland leading to increased metabolic rate. Option C, the kidney leading to the suppression of renin-angiotensin aldosterone pathway. And option D, the adrenal medulla leading to the increased secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine. The right answer is option D, the adrenal medulla leading to the increased secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine. Eighth question, the amount of which hormone is increased during fear? The options are option A, insulin, option B, adrenaline, option C, glucagon, and option D, aldosterone. The right answer is option B, adrenaline. Ninth question, Addison's disease is caused due to? The options are option A, hypersecretion of adrenal cortex, option B, hyposecretion of adrenal cortex, option C, hypersecretion of Leydig cells, and option D, hypersecretion of thyroid glands. The right answer is option B, hyposecretion of adrenal cortex. 10th question, which one of the hormones is not glycoprotein? The options are option A, FSH, option B TSH, option C LH, and option D ACTH. The right answer is option D ACTH. 11th question. Which one of the following hormones is not involved in sugar metabolism? The options are option A aldosterone, option B insulin, option C glucagon, and option D cortisol. The right answer is option A aldosterone. 12th question. Which one of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by the master gland? The options are option A luteinizing hormone, option B prolactin, option C melanocyte stimulating hormone, and option D antidiuretic hormone. The right answer is option D antidiuretic hormone. 13th question. A chemical signal that has both endocrine and neural roles is. The options are option A epinephrine, option B cortisol, option C melatonin, and option D calcitonin. The right answer is option A epinephrine. Next question. Select the option which gives the correct combination of hormones, source and function. The options are option A epinephrine, parathyroid gland secreted during emergency. Option B thymosin, adrenal gland, differentiation of T lymphocytes. Option C prolactin, anterior pituitary, growth of mammary gland and milk formation. And option D melatonin, pineal gland, reduces loss of water through urine. The right answer is option C prolactin and anterior pituitary, growth of mammary gland and milk formation. 15th question. The hormone which contracts gallbladder to release bile. The options are option A gastrin, option B secretin, option C enterogastrone, and option D cholecystokinin. The right answer is option D cholecystokinin. 16th question. The hormone which regulates gene expression of the target cell is. The options are option A prolactin, option B oxytocin, option C thyroxine, and option D growth hormone. The right answer is option C thyroxine. 17th question. During pregnancy, degeneration of corpus luteum is prevented by the hormone. The options are option A HCG, option B HPL, option C LH, and option D relaxin. The right answer is option A HCG. 18th question. Which of the following pairs of hormones are not antagonistic to each other? The options are option A aldosterone, atrial natriuretic factor, option B relaxin inhibin, option C parathormone calcitonin, and option D insulin glucagon. The right answer is option B relaxin inhibin. 19th question. Changes in GnRH pulse frequency in female is controlled by circulating levels of. The options are option A progesterone only, option B progesterone and inhibin, option C estrogen and progesterone, and option D estrogen and inhibin. The right answer is option C estrogen and progesterone. 20th question. Graves' disease is caused due to. The options are option A hyposecretion of adrenal gland, option B hypersecretion of adrenal gland, option C hyposecretion of thyroid gland, and option D hypersecretion of thyroid gland. The right answer is option D hypersecretion of thyroid glands. 21st question. Name a peptide hormone which acts mainly on hepatocytes and adipocytes and enhances cellular glucose uptake and utilization. The options are option A secretin, option B gastrin, option C insulin, and option D glucagon. The right answer is option C insulin. 22nd question. Myelin sheath is produced by. The options are option A astrocytes and Schwann cells, option B oligodendrocytes and osteoclasts, option C osteoclasts and astrocytes, and option D Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes. The right answer is option D Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes. 23rd question. Hypersecretion of growth hormone in adults does not cause further increase in height because the options are option A, epiphyseal plates close after adolescence, option B, bones lose their sensitivity to growth hormone in adults, option C, muscle fibers do not grow in size after birth, and option D, growth hormone becomes inactive in adults. The right answer is option A, epiphyseal plates close after adolescence. 24th question. Which of the following is an amino acid derived hormone? The options are option A, epinephrine, option B, ecdysone, option C, estradiol, and option D, estriol. The right answer is option A, epinephrine. 25th question. Acromegaly is due to the hypersecretion of. The options are option A, insulin, option B, thyroxine, option C, growth hormone, and option D, none of these. The right answer is option C, growth hormone. 26th question. Steroid hormones are similar in structure to. The options are option A, tyrosine, option B, cholesterol, option C, coenzyme A, and option D, glycerol. The right answer is option B, cholesterol. 27th question. The source of somatostatin is same as that of. The options are option A, thyroxine and calcitonin, option B, insulin and glucagon, option C, somatotropin and prolactin, and option D, vasopressin and oxytocin. The right answer is option D, vasopressin and oxytocin. 28th question. Which one of the following 4 glands is correctly matched with the accompanying description? The options are option A, thyroid, hyperactivity in young children causes cretinism, option B, thymus, starts atrophy after puberty, option C, parathyroid, secretes parathormone which promotes movement of calcium ions from blood into bones during calcification, and option D, pancreas, delta cells of islets of Langerhans secretes a hormone which stimulates glycolysis in liver. The right answer is option B, thymus, starts atrophy after puberty. 29th question. Tadpoles of frog can be made to grow as giant-sized tadpoles if they are. The options are option A, administered antithyroid substance like thiourea, option B, administered large amount of thyroxine, option C, reared on a diet rich in egg yolk, and option D, reared on a diet rich in both egg yolk and glucose. The right answer is option B, administered large amount of thyroxine. The last question, 30th question. Which of the following match is correct? The options are option A, oxytocin, milk ejection hormone, option B, glucagon, decreases blood sugar level, option C, adrenal, decreases heartbeat, and option D, thyroxine, decreases BMR. The right answer is option A, oxytocin, milk ejection hormone. So friends, I think that this video will be very useful for you to score good marks in the coming NEET exams. So all the best for your exams. Thank you so much.